Good evening, guys. Here we are going to talk about the case study of the automation manufacturing business. So, automation manufacturing business, while manufacturing we use machineries, but for this automation, mainly our robotics, sensors, and controls will be used, actuators will be used in this automation manufacturing industry or the case industry. There are three types of automations. As one is hard automation, flexible automation, and software automation. And this case study can give you ideas on it. Start. Case study on the automation manufacturing industry.
So we need to do the manufacturing, changing the raw material into finished product. We are doing it manually. Every process are done by the business. But we need to know why we need to automate. The main purpose is increase productivity or increase efficiency. So we are changing in the system is giving robot instead of humans later, and also we are using industrial IoT to automate the manufacturing process. This process varies by the process. We are doing some process in robot and IoT using IoT, and also some industries are doing everything with the automation using robot.
Nowadays, in the automation industry, in case you see, everything is programmable. Already programmed, so the robot is only handling the parts, ticket purchasing parts, and on the CNC machines will be using on based on the programmable, it will be doing machine operations for filling the products as well as the for machine parts. Finally, it comes as a finished goods for us after the all order is. And if there is any goods is like that, it will be informed to the programmer by the use of sensors and actuators.
Yes, if we go back to history, the industrial revolution started in the village areas where developing the employment for the villages, and now this industry 4.1 we are transforming to industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 started in the 21st century, where the every machineries are being automated. For example, CNC machines are being automated with the with an code-based operating of cutting of steels depending upon its usage. And now we are in the robotics era where we implement robots and IoT devices to calculate and monitor vehicles around the industry. So this is the current state of automation in manufacturing.
Hi everyone. We tell about robotic systems in automation manufacturing, but it have many challenges. High initial investments in robotic systems for digital information. And another point is requirement of skilled technicians for the job. And integrated issues between automated systems and cutting machines.
But even though we have these kind of drawbacks, but we have a major advantage in this automation where we can reduce the production time and increase the product development or product lines. Example, if a task takes 1 hour, if we are implementing automation in it, it completes in 1 hour, half an hour. So the half an hour we can manufacture more products. So that this is
So what is the answer? I want to add some points here. On this case study of the manufacturing automation software, even though the initial cost is high, as I informed it, initial cost is high, but on the routine of process we can able to manage the number of products within a short time of period system. And accuracy also you can see it is a valuable one. We can get the accurate parts for all the parts. There is a 1,000 parts we are managing, out of those all parts can be able to be is portable and can able to use it for us. No wastage will be there.
So, this automated manufacturing industry is not nowadays. It has started in a pre-revolution area it started at the first industrial revolution at the 18th century, and second in the second industrial revolution at 19th to 20th century.
Coming to the impact and new trends of the automation in industries, manufacturing industries, it is, as he said, it has increased efficiency and productivity due to the reducing the manual human errors and speeding up the repetitive process and tasks. And it has collaborative robotics by adapting the robots by human sides. It will help in increasing the productivity for the human task and enhance quality in the doing the task.
As I think we had some other information what is this on case on the automation manufacturing industry, there will be no stoppage for the there's no need of rest release rest for the machines. If it is a human person, they may need the rest time, and also will be only 8 hours per duty there. But here on continuous or 24 by 7 we can have the production cycle. So with this we come to the end of the session of the case study on the automation, manufacturing automation. Thank you.